Every journey begins with a single step. For Sarah, that step was deciding to change. Old habits die hard, but what if the key to change isn't about willpower, but about small, consistent actions? Sarah knew she wanted more, she just didn't know how to get there. Sometimes inspiration strikes when we least expect it.
I can do this. I have to do this.
Hey Sarah, mind if I join?
Sure. If you don't, mind going slow.
We all start somewhere, you've got this.
Change doesn't happen overnight, it's the result of countless small decisions, adding up day after day.
Whispered, I did it. I really did it.
Great form, Sarah. Now tell the class what you've learned.
Speaking to a group. It's not about the scale, it's about how you feel, the energy you have, the life you gain.
1. Focus on building healthy habits, not just losing weight. 2. Small, consistent changes add up over time. 3. Design your environment to support your goals. 4. Embrace a new identity as a healthy person. 5. Celebrate non-scale victories along the way.
Thanks for being there from the start, Mike.
That's what friends are for. You inspired me too, you know.
Remember, every transformation story has a beginning. Yours can start today.